Right now we're driving around, cruising around, looking for the house, working, saving. One day we have the money, we're gonna buy the house, huh?
Yeah.
Right, what city is this?
I don't know.
Swampscott, bro. It's a beautiful place, huh?
Yeah.
Look, one day.
Wow.
I don't know how we're gonna have money, but one day we have money, we're gonna come here. Look at that, bro. Yeah, bro.
Nice.
Look at that, beautiful, huh? The ocean. Bro, you see that? The ocean, huh? You buy one, I buy one.
Nice.
Then we're gonna have a boat, top of the water near the house. You see that guy fishing?
Yeah.
I know it's gonna be one day, bro. I had a feeling. I don't know what it is, but it's gonna be one day. Let me go out a little bit. Bro, it's gonna be one day, me and you. We buy the house near the water, and then every day all we have to do is fishing, huh? Bro, I know we don't know how to make the money, but one day we have the money, we're gonna come here, buy the house, right?
Yeah.
All right, now you can go, right? You can. Let's see, man. Let's go around looking for the house. That one is beautiful.
I know.
Look at the belt, that one.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, huh? Off from the water. Wow, that's a beautiful house. Look at that, huh? នេះមើលទៅដូចនៅខេត្តកំពង់សោមទេប្រិយ
Wow.
Beautiful, friend. I don't know what we're gonna do, but one day hopefully we have the money. I buy one, you buy one.
That's it.
Yep.
That'd be nice.
So now we just keep looking. That one is beautiful, friend. Look at that, huh? Just being built. Just being built. Well, for now we just working and save the money. That's it, man.
That's it.
Working and saving the money. Once we have the money, we're gonna come here to the beautiful place, huh? All right, let's see, man. Just drive around. I'm gonna keep my eye on it. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Wow, look at the beautiful house, bro. You know? Look at that. I'm telling you, it is beautiful. Oh my God! Look at that. Oh my God, ប្រិយថ្ងៃណាមួយយើងមានលុយយើងនឹងមកកន្លែងហ្នឹងអញថាមកប៉ុន្តែឥឡូវនេះអត់អីយើងសំលុយដើររើសសារ៉ាបន្តិចតួចទៅណាខ្លាចលោកអាចមានឱកាសទិញផ្ទះណាអូយស្អាតណាស់ប្រិយអើយអញគ្រាន់តែឃើញផ្ទះហ្នឹងអញចង់រៀបអាចមុនមកណាស្អាតមែនទៅមកឡោះមហាសែនស្អាតណាស់ប្រញើយ៉ាមិនដឹងតើយើងនឹងអាចមានសមត្ថភាពឬអត់ទេអូខ្ញុំនឹងប្រញនេះគឺថាថ្ងៃណាមួយថាមិនដឹងតើត្រូវខោឬក៏ធ្វើការសំលុយមកទិញទៀតកន្លែងហ្នឹងអូយស្អាតណាស់បងប្អូនអូយជួយតែពីស្អាតតាមប្រួលអត់ហ្នឹងអូខ្ញុំដឹងកន្លែងហ្នឹងហ្នឹងប្រញអើយតើប្រញ